Ted's Locksmith service was established in 1996, serving the Matthews, North Carolina community. We're proud to be a leading locksmith company offering a complete range of locksmith services and security systems to commercial and residential customers throughout Matthews, Charlotte, Indian Trail, Mint Hill, Weddington, and Waxhaw. We offer lockouts, rekeying, lock repair, locks replaced, among other emergency services. Our main goal is to provide professional, efficient and reliable locksmith services at competitive rates. We handle every single job we do with care to ensure 100% customer satisfaction and great results. NC Locksmith License Number 0088. Call Ted's Locksmith Service today. 704-882-7854. We show up on time and get the job done right.